As we're on shutdown, I thought I'd do some videos, a short series on introduction to playing the drums. I'm a drummer, have been for a long time. I've played all over the UK and in the US and that sort of thing. And yeah, I've done some recording and session work as well. So I'm not the world's best drummer. I can't take you to global superstardom, but I can get you started with some basic tips and ideas and tricks that maybe will get you started, that at least you can understand how drums work and what they do and how they don't. Now, at some point, we're going to get onto the actual kit. The kit is over there in the side of the office, but we don't need to do that to start off with. First job is lesson number one is first of all, what hand are you, right-handed or left-handed? So if you're right-handed, you're going to use your right hand. Clearly, if not left-handed, you're going to use your left hand. And the first lesson is just how to count. Now, it has to be very simple for drummers to do this. What I'd like you to be able to do first of all is count to four. So just one, two, three, four. That's it. If you can do that, now you're 90% of the way there now with drums. But now, if you can find a drumstick or something, or a spoon or something like this, I want you to start tapping things out. Now, this thing here is what you call a practice pad. It's sort of a hard rubber, and it's got the same sort of surface reverb, if you like, as a drum head. So it's good to practice on. And this is a drumstick, a bit of hickory. I use 7A drums. They're different sizes and that sort of thing. This is a 7A stick, and this is what I use. And I'm going to use this as I go through my tuition. Now, if you've got a stick, that's great. If not, you can use a wooden spoon or a chopstick or anything. If you haven't got a practice pad, use back of your hand or use a Tupperware plastic tub or something like that. So if you're right-handed, you take your weapon, your spoon, your drumstick in your right hand. And I'm going to look at how you hold the stick further on down the course. So hold the thing, the stick, the weapon in your right hand if you're right-handed, or clearly left-handed if you're left-handed. Take the practice pad or the Tupperware box, whatever it is you've got, and then I want you to start tapping out just four and just 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. And then if you can do that at a similar pace, okay, there should be an equal space between each note or each strike or each beat, and keep it nice and consistent. If you can do that, then you can start to do them in a series. And then what you do is you do 4 sets of 4. And the way you count this is in your mind, if you like, and drummers have to do this, is you count your 1, 2, 3, 4. And in my mind, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So you do it in groups of 4. And then you're counting in a sequence of 4. So to start off with, all you need to do is get used to, with your dominant hand, with a stick, a weapon, or a drumstick, or a spoon, just get used to doing that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the rhythm the same. Don't leave it all over the place. It's got to be consistent, nice, gentle rhythm, just to count to 4. So that's the first lesson. If you can do that, what we're going to do next time round is I'll take you over to the kit, and then we're going to show you how to take that simple rhythm and transfer it onto the drum kit. But there's lesson number one. Just count to 4 and do it in a series of 4, and then you're you're halfway there, believe me. So I'll see you next time, and look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.